Welcome to our journey through the fascinating world of asteroids, the rocky remnants of the early solar system. These celestial bodies hold secrets to our cosmic origins. Asteroids are small, rocky bodies that orbit the Sun. Larger than meteoroids but smaller than planets, they are often referred to as minor planets. Asteroids originated from leftover planetesimals, material that never formed a planet, and debris from the early solar system. They are primitive building blocks of our cosmic neighborhood. Asteroids are primarily found in the asteroid belt, near-Earth regions, and as Trojan asteroids. These regions are rich with these rocky bodies. The asteroid belt, located between Mars and Jupiter, contains millions of rocky bodies. Jupiter's gravity prevented these from forming a planet, with Ceres being the largest member. Contrary to popular belief, asteroids are not densely packed. Vast distances separate them, allowing spacecraft to pass safely through the asteroid belt. Asteroids range from dust-sized fragments to kilometer-scale bodies, with some reaching hundreds of kilometers in size, like Ceres and Vesta. Asteroids often have irregular shapes due to weak gravity. They can be rubble piles or solid bodies, each telling a unique story of formation. Asteroids are categorized based on their composition: C-type, carbonaceous; S-type, silicaceous; and M-type, metallic. Each type offers insights into the solar system's materials. C-type asteroids, rich in carbon, are the most common, making up about 75% of known asteroids. Their dark surfaces resemble early solar system material. S-type asteroids are silicaceous, while M-type are metallic, comprising 17% and 8% of known asteroids respectively. They are dense and reflective, offering a mix of rock and metal. Asteroids are pristine remnants of the early solar system, containing clues to planet formation. Studying them helps us understand water, organic molecules, and our cosmic history. Asteroids pose potential hazards to Earth, with past impacts affecting life. Scientists are actively working on monitoring and deflecting these celestial threats. In summary, asteroids are leftovers from the early solar system, varying in size, shape, and type. They help scientists understand planet formation and are crucial for tracking due to their potential danger.